So the vehicle's on transport mode, hence the reason you've got all these little error symbols coming up here. Brand new. But what I really wanted to bring my attention to was the 2021 Skoda Karoq Sportline steering wheel. Firstly, flat bottom. Got the little Sportline badge over here. You've got your paddles. Up gear, down gear, up gear, down gear. On the back, quite responsive as well. But as standard, it is a heated steering wheel. I think it feels good, feels chunky. You've got your volume. Obviously on this side here, you've got going through your options. If you want to go into it, you click OK. It's got no fuel, so I need to switch the engine off. Hold it down, hold it in, sorry, and it will reset. So this doesn't have the virtual cockpit. That's a lap timer. It doesn't have the virtual cockpit, but I will upload a video soon of this vehicle with the virtual cockpit. But in the meantime, 2021 Skoda Karoq Sportline and the amazing 3-spoke steering wheel, sport flat bottom steering wheel.